Come here. You hug tita. Hug tita. Hug tita. Basta yung lubot. Yung lubot basta.
Yeah, because I poop it and wash my lubot. You wipe up your house, smell like
Of course, it's the same way. Did you wash your hands?
yes.
Yes.
Yes, I did wash my hands.
Hi, I'm angry. I will not buy bottle for this. Behave.
Okay, I wash my hands. I guess only with water.
No, you should wash your hands with soap. Careful, you will touch. It's nice. It's nice there, right?
No, I like it.
Why?
It's higher.
Let.
How about go up in the sky? Higher than me.
You sit out here.
Don't make me go
Yeah,
there
yeah, I know.
because there's spikes straight up.